ditinggal liburan, tanaman bakal mati. Enggak dong, kan ada sistem smart hidroponik. Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So, in this video, we will try to explain our new project, and that is smart hydroponic.
But before we start, let us introduce ourselves first. So my name is Muhammad Haidar Alfai Taufik, or you can call me Haidar. I'm from 8th grade, especially from 8A.
And my name is Hasbi Arindra Prawira. You can call me Hasbi. I'm from 8th grade, especially 8A.
Okay, so the
Okay, so now I want to explain about the background of this project. So why we make this project? Because we know that uh, planting uh, green is very hard if you are using the standard method by using soil, dirt, and then you need to water it every day. So we found that there are other ways to plant greens by using technique called hydroponic. But in hydroponic, there are issues that you need to do, because in hydroponic you need to change the water every day and every time, because hydroponic is planting greens without using dirt, and we only use water and then sponge. So in this smart hydroponic, we make a system that the system will automatically replace the water of hydroponic, so the water is fresh, and then the water will be pumped automatically.
okay, so the features of the hydroponic system is more safety, and you can control it by far, or you can control by your phone. Like when you at home and your hydroponic is in the garden, you can control it by yourself by using a website. And the features of this project is more safety, and it's automatically.
So the pro of this project is you don't need to change the water by yourself, it automatically change the water, and then uh, you can see how much the water height. So if the water low, you can see it from the website, and then if the water is already full, you can see it also from the website. Okay, so now I want to explain about how the system work, and then the components of the system. So right here, as you can see, there are several things of the component. There are bucket to store the water. There is the pump and the pipe to flow the water from the bucket to the main pipe. And then there is the IoT. So right here, as you can see, there is the microbit, and then the microbit ESP, and then after that there is the ultrasonic sensor, there is the relay, and then all of this will be connected to the pump. So right here I want to show you the components of the hydroponic. So right here there is the main pipe to flow the water from the bucket uh, to uh, waterize all of these plantains. So right here, as you can see, this is the example of the plant. So right here there is the main container. Inside of the container there are sponge, and then inside of the sponge we put seeds, and then from this the water will flow, and then we'll waterize all of this, and then will be put back to the bucket. Okay, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So now I will explain to you about the code, website, and the database of the smart hydroponic. So right here, from the line one is explaining about set up the ESP, like the pin and the connecting rate, and then from line 3 until line 8 is showing about how to connect to the Wi-Fi for the SP connected Wi-Fi, and then after that from 10 until 13 is for the server config. So this is for connecting to the for the ESP connecting to the Firebase and the website. And then after that from line 15 from line 26 is for the main loop. So now here def on forever if so air is equal to the ultrasonic sensor or sonar ping, and then after that the status is in this if air is more than 10, and then it will show that the water is kurang, and then else if the air is more than 10 uh, it will what show that the status is cukup. So right here this is the main loop, so this is the most important thing. So now I want to explain about the website. So right here this is the website. As you can see the website is pretty simple. So here the panel here, so how to connect, you can press the gear button, and now here you can insert your database URL and then simpan, and now it will tersimpan. And then right here as you can see this is for checking the water level by using ultrasonic sensor. And then after right here in the bottom, if for the controlling the air pump, so right here we have two mode like the manual and then automatic. So here if the manual, I can turn on the pump, I can matikan the pompa, I can turn on the pompa right again right here. So it will be check on the database. Now I can change to automatic mode. So automatic mode will check from the water level. If enough, it will stop the pump. If it's not enough, it will start pumping. Right here, automatic. So right here, from the database, it's also changing. So here, this database, it's pretty simple. There's only one branch IoT, and then there's two variable. There is mode and then pump. If the mode there is auto and then manual, and from the pump there's only one and zero for turn on or turn off.
Okay, so for making the process of the hydroponic system, so first, the water pump will transfer the water flow right here. But for the transfer, you can put some of sensor for detecting the water is you need the water or no. And next the water will flow right here, and the water will watering the bucket right here, the small bucket for the placing the plant. And in the plant there is the sponge for put the seed in there. And next the water will flow until down here. After that the water will go outside from this pipe, and the water will go back to the bucket. And right before I say, the water will flow again when you need the water. Okay.
Okay, so now I want to explain about the demo of the project. So right here, this is the what the storage bucket. So right here there is the ultrasonic sensor to detect if the water is low. So if the water is low, it will send the data to the microbit, and the microbit will send data to the relay to turn on the pump. So right here if the water is low, the water is turned on, and then will transfer the water to the main bucket. So right here the main bucket, it will always pump uh, it will always pump the water from the main bucket to the hydroponic pipe. So here the water will flow, and then will waterize the plant media. So here there is the container, sponge, and then the seed right here. And then after going down, it will go back to the main bucket.
Okay,
Okay,
maybe
B,
that's
that's all
all from
from
us.
us.
Thank
Thank
you
you
for
for
watching.
watching.
Wassalamualaikum
Wassalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.